Nabbit is a portable handhold genetic tool that is geared towards bringing the lab into the palm of your hand to speed up the time to making critical decisions that will affect our ecosystems.
We are helping scale their hardware business to automate that assembly process and really increase the output of their cartridge assembly process to get cartridges in the hands of their customers that need them around the world.
So we are using an off-the-shelf, low-cost pick-and-place machine that is scalable, and that combined with some clever fixture design has allowed us to use the pick-and-place to fully automate most of the assembly process of the cartridge.
One of the primary threats to islands across the world is invasive species, like invasive rodents. We can use the device to help us to confirm that we have actually eliminated all of the rodents on an island that we're restoring as well. There's a lot of islands that we need to successfully restore, up to more than 400,000 across the world.
Helping a company like Conservation X Labs, which is supporting environmentalists around the world, really is a great opportunity for us to do something good